If you think one hero is enough to guard your secrets, think again. Sometimes, it takes a united front. An inner circle forged for the ultimate defense. On the front lines of modern communication, Dynamic Engineers Inc. presents the Crystal Filter, where precision isn't just a promise, it's a battle. First, the chosen quartz resonators face the trial of identity. Only those vibrating in flawless unity earn their place. Next, the vow of unity. Individually brilliant, now fused, bound together on a single monolithic stage. Their energy flows as one, no room for hesitation. And then, the final stand. The filter meets the roar of interference. In that razor-thin moment, the inner circle forms a wall, letting only the pure message through, and silencing the noise. This isn't just technology, it's teamwork at its most precise. Visit our website, where unity shapes the future.